Hi guys, this is set 4. We're almost done with this set. It's question 41 to 60. So let's get started. Question 41. The solution set of which of the following equations is the set of real numbers that are 7 units from -2? Okay, so you have -2 here. 7 units away. So you can go towards the right side, towards the left side. If you go towards the right side, it's +7. If you go towards negative side or on the left side, -7. So -2 plus 7, that's 5. 7 units away from -2. -7 plus -2, that's -9. Also, 7 units away from -2. Okay, so we have -9 and 5. Okay, so if you put -9 here, -9 minus 2, that's -11. A is not the answer. -9 plus 2, that's -7, but we have absolute value, so 7. Yes. What about 5? 5 plus 2, 7, so B is the answer. What about -9 here? -9, 7 plus 7, that's -2, 2, that's correct. But what if you put 5? 5 plus 7, that's 12 instead of 2, so that's not the answer. -9, -7, that's -16, nope. -9 plus 7, that's -2, but we have absolute value, so that should be 2, not -2. So E is not the answer, so yes, B is the answer. Question 42. According to the measurements given in the figure below, which of the following expressions give the distance from the boat to the dock? So distance here. Let me put here X. Okay, so how to get X? We could use tangent, right? So tangent of 50 degrees. That will be T, like that. If you start from 25, 25 goes down and X goes up. So X is equal to 25 tangent 50 degrees. 25 tangent 50, G is the answer. Question 43. The circle graph below shows the distribution of registered voters by age for a certain city. Registered voters are randomly selected from this distribution to be called for jury. What are the odds? So odds means in the age range to the ratio to or not in the age range, that the first person called for jury is the age range of 36 to 44 years. Okay, so it's age range to not in the age range. 36 to 44, so here, 16%. So it's 16% to the rest of percent, so 23 plus 12 plus 6 plus 43, that will be 84. Or you can do 100 minus 16. And that's 4, 4, 16, 4, 2, 1. So it's 4 to 21. This is the ratio of the odds. 4 to 21. A is the answer. Question 44 to 46. Use the following information to answer questions 44 to 46. So here, Mary is making picture frames, and it's in 2 sizes, small and large. It takes 1.5 hour to make small, and it takes 2.5 hours to make large. The shaded here shows the weekly constraints Mary has in making the frames. So here, for making and selling and small, so small and large and, Mary makes a profit of 20 and plus 60 dollars. Okay, so it's better to make large one because when you make one large, you need to make 3 small in order to have the same profit. So if you make one, that's $60. If you make 3 here, $60. So it's better to make more large than small, right? Okay, let's move on to question 44. Question 44, the weekly constraint represented by the horizontal line here. Segment containing 7, 3 means that each week Mary makes a minimum of what? So x-axis, that's and, small. Y-axis, that's am, so large. This horizontal line tells you that minimum 3, so that's for Y, that's for large. Minimum 3 can be made by Mary, and 3 represents large. So 3 large frames, G is the answer. Question 45, for every hour that Mary spends making frames, she donates $4. So $4 per hour she donates. Okay, so this year, Mary made 5 large, so 5 large, and small, 3 small this week. Which of the following is closest to the percent of that week's profit Mary donated to the charity? Okay, so now we have to know how much she earned and how much she donated and get the percentage of the profit she donated. Okay, so she made 5 large, 3 small, so 5 times, how much was it? 20 and plus 60 am, right? So you use that equation. So 5 large, 5 times 60 plus 3 times 20. So 3, 5. 3 times 20, that's equal to 300 plus 60. So she earned 360 by making 5 large and 3 small. What about time she spent to earn 360? It takes 1.5 hours to make small 3 hours, small 3 frames. It takes 2.5 hours to make large, and it was 5 frames. So that's 4.5, and here it's 12.5. So total, if you add them up, it's going to be 17 hours. So she spent 17 hours to make $360 profit. Okay, so she donates $4 per hour. So you have to do times 4 here. 17 hours times 4, that is 68. So basically she donated $68. So what is the percentage? That's 68 over 360 times 100 to get the percentage. And that is equal to 18.88%, close to 19%. 19, D is the answer. Question 46, what is the maximum profit Mary can earn from the picture frame she makes in 1 week? Okay, so you could use this graph and the equation, 20 and plus 60 and. We can use this to get the maximum profit. Okay, so N means small, M means large. It's better to make more large than small because you get more money out of it. We have 0.08 and point here 7.3. We can find another point, so it's 3.6. Okay, we can plug that in there. 20 times 0 plus 60 times 8, that's equal to 0 plus 480, so that's 480. Let's plug this in. 20 times 7 plus 60 times 3, that's 140 plus 180, that's equal to 320. Less than that, right? What about 3.6? 20 times 3 plus 60 times 6, that's equal to 60 plus 360, that's 420. So as I told you earlier, it's better to make more large than small because you get more money. It's 60, 60 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's better to make more large than small. So yes, 0.8 gives the maximum profit, and that's 400. J is the answer.